Hey there, Money Minds! Welcome back to the channel where we turn complicated finance into stick-figure wisdom. Today's video? Life lessons from billionaires. Because why learn from trial and error when you can steal secrets from the world's richest? Ever wondered what separates billionaires from the rest of us? Is it just luck, or do they possess unique insights that guide their journey? Today, we're uncovering the life lessons shared by some of the world's most successful billionaires. Stick around, because these nuggets of wisdom might just change your perspective on success and wealth. You will hear about billionaire success habits, investing tips, wealth mindset, and financial freedom. By the end of this video, you'll learn Warren Buffett's #1 rule to avoid financial disasters. Spoiler, it's not buy low, sell high. How Elon Musk bets on insane risks without going bankrupt. Oprah's hidden mindset trick that built her $2.6 billion empire. Stick around, literally, because these stick figures are packing life-changing advice. Oh, and smash that subscribe button if you're ready to level up your wealth game. I'm Mr. Sticks A Stocks, and I will be your host for today. Lesson 1. Invest in your mind from Bill Gates. Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft, is a voracious reader. He dedicates time to Think Weeks, where he retreats to read and reflect. Gates believes that continuous learning is the ultimate investment with infinite returns. In a rapidly evolving world, staying curious and adaptable is essential. Here's the takeaway. Prioritize lifelong learning. Your mind is your most valuable asset. Lesson 2. Value long-term growth from Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett, known as the Oracle of Omaha, built his fortune by focusing on sustainable, long-term growth rather than quick wins. His investment philosophy revolves around patience, understanding value, and resisting impulsive decisions. Here's a bonus tip about Warren Buffett's 20-slot rule and the art of patience. You have heard Warren Buffett quotes a million times, but here's the lesson nobody talks about: the 20-slot rule. Listen closely, because this is Warren Buffett's secret to avoiding bad investments. Imagine you've got a ticket machine with 20 slots, and every investment you make punches a hole. Once you hit 20, no more investments, ever. Buffett's point? Quality over quantity. Most people trade like they've got unlimited slots, chasing trends, panic selling, and racking up fees. But billionaires? They wait for surefire bets. So here's your homework. Research like a detective before hitting buy. Ask, would I hold this stock for 10 years? If not, skip it. Fun fact, Buffett owns 90% of his wealth in just 5 stocks. Mic drop. Here's the takeaway. In life and business, focus on strategies that yield long-term rewards, even if they require patience and discipline, and keep in mind the 20-slot rule. On another note, if you like hamburgers as much as Warren Buffett, smash those like and subscribe buttons. Lesson 3. Elon Musk's failure framework. Risking it all the smart way. Elon Musk's ventures, from Tesla to SpaceX, demonstrate his willingness to take bold, calculated risks. Musk doesn't shy away from pushing boundaries, but always bases his decisions on meticulous planning and data. The real-life Tony Stark, Elon Musk, rockets explode, tweets backfire, but he's still worth over $200 billion. How? His failure framework. Musk doesn't just take risks, he calculates survival. When starting SpaceX, he asked, what's the minimum success needed to keep going? Answer, 1 successful launch every 3 tries. Here's how you can copy his strategy. First, define bare minimum survival for your goal. Commit 100% once you have hedged the risks. For example, investing in crypto? Decide up front, I'll only risk 5% of my portfolio. That way, a crash won't wreck you. Here's the takeaway. Don't fear risk, but ensure your decisions are backed by research and careful thought. Lesson 4. Focus on your core mission from Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg's success with Facebook, now Meta, lies in his unwavering focus on connecting people. By staying true to this core mission, Zuckerberg scaled Facebook into a global phenomenon. Here's the takeaway. Identify your primary goal and resist distractions. Staying aligned with your mission can lead to exponential growth. Lesson 5. Embrace fearless innovation from Richard Branson. Richard Branson's Virgin Group thrives on embracing new ideas and breaking norms. From music to airlines, Branson's ventures show the power of innovation paired with courage. Here's the takeaway. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and innovate. Bold ideas often lead to breakthroughs. Lesson 6. Deliver exceptional customer value from Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos revolutionized retail by prioritizing customer satisfaction. From fast delivery to unparalleled convenience, Amazon's success is rooted in its customer-centric approach. Here's the takeaway. Understand your audience deeply and consistently exceed their expectations. Lesson 7. Practice contentment from Charlie Munger. Charlie Munger, vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, emphasizes the importance of contentment. He believes that understanding one's strengths and focusing on fewer, high-quality investments leads to a fulfilling life. Here's the takeaway. Know your strengths, focus on quality over quantity, and find joy in simplicity. Lesson 8. Prioritize well-being from various billionaires. Many billionaires, including Oprah Winfrey and Sarah Blakely, the Spanx Lady, prioritize their well-being through regular exercise, meditation, and quality time with loved ones. They understand that a healthy mind and body are crucial for sustained success. Now, let's talk about Queen Oprah. Oprah was not born rich. She was fired from her first TV job. So, how did she bounce back? One power question. What's the lesson here? That's the question Oprah asks every time she fails. Lost money? Terrible job? Toxic relationship? Find the lesson or you'll repeat it. Let's apply this to finance. Lost money on a bad stock? Ask, did I FOMO buy? Ignored research? Scared to invest? Ask, is fear of failure holding me back? Billionaires don't avoid mistakes. They mine them for gold. Here's the takeaway. Incorporate habits that promote physical and mental health to enhance productivity and happiness. Before we wrap, here's a lightning round of billionaire habits you can steal today. Jeff Bezos's regret minimization. Ask, will I regret not doing this in 10 years? Use it for big decisions like buying a house or quitting your 9-to-5. Mark Cuban's sweat the small stuff. Cuban still negotiates every bill. Why? Small savings compound. If you don't care about pennies, you don't deserve dollars. Sarah Blakely's celebrate failure. The Spanx founder's dad asked, what did you fail at this week? Normalize failure. It means you're trying. Success leaves clues, and these billionaires have shared theirs. By investing in your mind, valuing long-term growth, taking calculated risks, focusing on your mission, embracing innovation, delivering exceptional value, practicing contentment, and prioritizing well-being, you can chart your path to success. So, there you have it. Billionaire wisdom served up in stick-figure style in less than 10 minutes. Let's recap. Buffett's 20-slot rule equals patience pays. Musk's failure framework equals risk smart, survive longer. Oprah's power question equals mine failures for lessons. Now over to you. Which lesson resonated most? Let me know in the comments. Buffett, Musk, or Oprah? And I'll shout out the winner in my next video. Don't forget to smash that like button, because YouTube's algorithm loves it. Subscribe if you haven't, and hit the bell so you never miss a wealth-building tip. Want more? Check out my playlist on money mindset hacks for 2025 right here. Until next time, keep stacking those stacks. This is Mr. Sticks A Stocks signing off for now. See you next time.